and welcome back to Cap That Flag. Today we're continuing our picoCTF series with a challenge titled crackme-py. It's worth 30 points, it's from picoCTF 2021, and it's in the reverse engineering category. The description just links to a Python file, so let's download that and get started. So we'll download the Python script using wget, and then we'll have a look at the code. So initially when looking at the code, we see we've got a encrypted string here. And this is potentially the flag. We also have a decoding function here. And the function looks like it's an implementation of ROT47 encoding. So we've also got this choose_greatest function, which looks like it just compares two numbers and returns the greater of the two values. And when this Python script is executed, the choose_greatest function is the only function that is called by the program. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to comment out the call to choose_greatest, and then I'm going to add a call to decode_secret, passing the variable for the encrypted string as the argument. And then I'm simply going to run the script. And there we can see the encoded string has been decoded into the flag in plain text. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.